What if AI did not just give you insights? What if AI could actually suggest actions and complete tasks for you? Introducing Copilot Cowork, an AI-powered coworker designed to help you delegate real work and get things done faster. Here's what you need to know. What is Copilot Cowork? Copilot Cowork is built on Work IQ, Microsoft's intelligence layer that understands your data, tools, and organization. This allows Cowork to plan, act, and deliver outcomes based on how your business actually operates, not just information from the public internet. Assign tasks on the go. Cowork is available on iOS and Android, making it easy to delegate work anytime, anywhere. While you focus on higher value priorities, Cowork can handle tasks in the background for you. Use it with Cowork skills. Many business processes follow repeatable patterns, and that's where skills come in. Skills are reusable instruction sets that guide Cowork on how to complete tasks consistently using your preferred structure, tone, and workflow. Connect work with Cowork plugins. Copilot Cowork integrates with Microsoft tools like Power BI, Dynamics, and ERP systems, so it can work across your organization's existing platforms. It also supports third-party connectors and custom plugins, helping businesses automate workflows and extend AI capabilities into their unique systems. Stay tuned for more Copilot updates.